Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts and fellow invaders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into Huawei's MateBook Fold, a device that isn't just a new laptop, it's a statement. It's Huawei's answer to the market that's become complacent. The rumors and leaks have been building, and now we finally have the details. Today we need to talk about a serious problem in the tech world. For years, we've watched two of the biggest names in the industry, Apple and Samsung, coast on their legacies. They've given us minor updates, incremental changes, and a whole lot of marketing hype, especially when it comes to the laptop market. While they've dominated the mainstream, they failed to truly innovate in the one area that could change everything: the foldable laptop. Apple's MacBook design has been largely stagnant for decades, and Samsung's foldable phones have been groundbreaking. If the laptop lineup is playing it safe, they've left a massive gaping hole in the market, a void just begging to fill up with true disruptive innovation. And guess who just stepped in to fill it? Huawei MateBook Fold. This isn't just a gimmick. The MateBook Fold is truly transformative device. When fully unfolded, you're looking at a stunning 18-inch OLED display, a massive canvas for creators, professionals, and anyone who needs more screen space. But here's the magic trick: it folds down into compact 13-inch form factor, making it incredibly portable. This is definition of a two-in-one device done right. The engineering behind this is insane. Huawei has used its Zenny water drop hinge, a design they perfected in the foldable phones, to create a virtually creaseless display. The dual-layer OLED panel isn't just big, it's also incredibly vibrant and bright, with a peak brightness of 1600 nits and a 1440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. It's built for both work and play, with a 165 refresh rate that will make everything feel incredibly smooth. When folded, you can see a virtual keyboard on the lower half of the screen. But let's be real, you will want to use included ultra-thin wireless keyboard. It's a separate magnetic unit that attaches to the back, and within 1.5mm key travel, it's actually comfortable to type on. The MateBook Fold weighs in at just 1.6 kg without the keyboard, and it's a supermodel thin 7.3mm when unfolded. That's thinner than some smartphones. Huawei doesn't cut corners on the performance either. The laptop comes with 32GB of RAM and either a 1TB a 2TB SSD, while some reports from sources like Medium suggest the Korean X9 chip might lag slightly behind Apple's M series in single-core performance. It's a feat of engineering given the geopolitical constraints. The cooling system, which uses a vapor chamber and dual fans, ensures it stays cool even on a heavy load. The MateBook Fold is powered by HarmonyOS 5, which has been optimized to handle different screen modes seamlessly. For connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, and two USB-C ports. And there is also an 8MP front-facing camera for video calls, and a robust 6-speaker system for an immersive audio experience. So what about the price? This kind of innovation doesn't come cheap. In China, the 32GB and 1TB model starts at around 24,000 Chinese yuan, which is roughly $3,330. The 2TB version is even more. It's definitely a premium device for a niche market, but it's a crucial step forward. While Apple and Samsung are still figuring out what their next big thing is, Huawei has just dropped a bomb on the laptop market. The Huawei MateBook Fold isn't just a gadget, it's a vision of the future. The future where a single device can be a tablet, a laptop, and a massive desktop screen all at once. The competition has been put on notice. The foldable laptop market is officially heating up, and it's Huawei who lit the fire. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, leave comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.